My name is Blake, this is David and Junhua. We're all from Singapore University of Technology and Design, and our team name is Digitised. So what we're trying to do is create face mask accessories. We're trying to improve the efficacy of N95 face masks for haze, for medical applications. The way we're doing that is we're actually using 3D printing technology and Intel RealSense to scan people's faces and 3D print masks that fit to the individual.
So we're using the Intel RealSense. We're using its ability to capture high-resolution 3D data at close ranges to actually get a 3D scan of the user's face in a single image, which we use to fit the mask. We're also looking forward to using the RealSense's ability to pull out face features and figure out what direction a person is looking to automate a lot of the actual process of designing that mask, letting us bring down the costs of producing these customized masks.
So the idea is that we want to start with face masks and create this accessory, but we would like to expand the technology to different medical applications. So custom orthotics, custom prosthetics, anything that really needs to be manufactured to an individual, to the custom features of the body, that's where we hope to expand this technology.
Okay, our team name is Head Over Heels, and we're from the Singapore University of Technology and Design, SUTD. Basically, we found that a lot of elderly do fall down, and that is a major concern in Singapore with the aging population. So we want to make a product that helps to cushion the fall and at the same time will signal for help. Our group will be currently using the Edison. It's because it's a microcontroller, and we hope to use it to translate the information from the accelerometer to detect a fall, to inflate airbags to cushion the fall. It also has Wi-Fi technology which can allow us to transfer a help signal to the servers to signal for help. After 5 years, we want to see it used in the hospitals as a beta test, and later we want to see used in homes because research showed that a lot of elderly who live at home alone, when they fall, nobody is there to help them.
We are Team Green from Nanyang Technological University. We are looking to solve the problem of energy consumption. So we aim to provide a sustainable energy consumption solution by monitoring and managing the energy in houses. We are using Intel Edison, which will be at the heart of our central hub, which will be placed in the houses. That hub will control all the appliances and all the energy flowing through it. The current smart home solutions, they don't provide any motivation to user to conserve energy. We aim to provide that motivation by introducing a social gaming platform through which the user will be able to compare his score with other users, like how much energy he has consumed in a week. And we will also suggest him, based on his usage pattern, he will come to know how he can optimize the energy consumption and all. In 5 years, we hope to see it in every house here and making a substantial contribution to energy conservation.
We are named Synapse Swarmsense, and we are from NUS. Our specific problem is that suppose we have a disaster scene like a nuclear fallout or something where humans cannot enter the scene. We want to increase that capability by putting a swarm of robots, and then we want to map the scene and get back appropriate information for surveillance and other kinds of stuff like mapping. Specifically, we were planning to use the Intel Edison because of its capability for device-to-device communication and device-to-cloud communication, and we want to use the Edison to control the swarm of robots. And then we are also planning to use the RealSense for scene mapping. In 5 years, I hope that when we have developed this system, then in future, suppose there's any disaster scene, and we can perform more effective disaster management by using these swarm of intelligent or semi-autonomous robots which can interact with the human at the same time to get some relevant information from the scene.
We are the Cup Cares team, and we are from NTU. We are trying to solve the problem that elders would sometimes forget to take their medicines at the right time and to take the right doses. We have created this project, which is a smart portal, so that caregivers can remind those elders to take the right medicine at the right time with the right doses. We are using the Intel Edison. We find that it's very useful because it has both a Bluetooth module and also the Wi-Fi module, which can allow the communication between mobile and the smart cup. I hope that this project will not only be a good reminding tool for elders to remind themselves of taking medicine, it could also be a good reminding tool for everyone.
We are Team Blindside, and we are from NTU. We are trying to help people who are visually impaired or blind be more independent. If you are blind or visually impaired, you rely a lot on other people in order to do like basic daily tasks that we take for granted. And so what our product aims to do is give you back a little bit of independence that you might not otherwise have. So our proposed solution is a pair of glasses that has abilities like reading text or recognizing faces or noticing if there's an object nearby that you might hit your head on. We're looking at actually integrating the Edison as well as the 3D RealSense technology in order to take in the sensory data of the visual surrounding and then process it using the Edison. In 5 years' time, we hope that it's commercially available to anyone who's blind or visually impaired. We hope that it's all over the world and that it, gives people a lot more independence in their everyday life.